Hello viewers, these are previous year question from English language second CTET. Skill reading is progressive, deliberative, constructive, imaginative. So skill reading is constructive. C is the correct answer. Of the following, which of one is most important prerequisite for language learning, whether first or second? Number A, structural situation approach. B, skill based instruction. C, a multilingual approach. An input rich communication environment. An input rich communication environment is must for language learning. It is first or second. A Hindi speaking teacher gets posted in a primary school which is situated in remote area of Rajasthan. Since she does not know the local language, she faces lot of problem. She should A, try to get a posting to Hindi speaking area. False. Focus on textbook as a source of standard Hindi. False. Use the child language as a resource while teaching. Yes. Different language, teacher should use it as a resource while teaching. So C is the correct answer. While teaching children to read, at which point should the teacher focus on comprehension? So when children reaches class second, after children have learned how to decode right from the beginning. Once children have mastered phonics. So while teaching children to read, at which point should the teacher focus on comprehension? The correct answer right from beginning. C is the correct answer. Here is a list of tasks commonly included in a language classroom. Which of these see children as active learner? Children work in group to generate interpretation of a poem. Children carefully memorize correct answer to question of on a poem. This is wrong because memorization is a negative word. Children write answer to question given at the end of the poem. This is also wrong. Children carefully note down the answer from the blackboard. So here only A is the correct answer. Children work in group to generate interpretation of a poem. A is the correct answer. The assessment of student writing should most importantly focus on keeping to the word limit, using idioms and metaphors, correct spelling and grammar, expression and idea. The assessment of student writing should most importantly focus on expression and ideas. Expression and idea, D is the correct answer. Children oral language development form an important foundation for learning literacy. Which of the following classroom practices enables oral language development? Memorizing and reciting poems individually in a chorus. This is not correct. Chorus reading of a story in the textbook along with the teacher. This is also not correct. Practicing correct pronunciation of words in a chorus. Participating in role play for favorite story. So participating in role play for on favorite stories is the correct answer of this question. This develop language oral language development. This is must for oral language development of the students. A teacher in class third realized that vocabulary development is an important factor in enabling students to become better readers. Of the following, which might be a good strategy for vocabulary development? Student underline difficult word from a text and make sentences within them. Student learn to use the context to guess and the meaning of the word. Student memorize extensive word list of synonyms and antonyms. Student consult a dictionary whenever they come across a new word. So here B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Student learn to use the context to guess the meaning of the new words. So B is the correct answer. 129. Mr. Sinha asked prediction question as she reads aloud a story to her class third student. She does this to improve students' vocabulary, make the story interesting, focus on comprehension, help student remember important detail in the story. So its answer is focus on comprehension. Mr. Sinha asks prediction question as she reads aloud a story to her class third student. She does this to focus on comprehension. So student make their attention toward the comprehension whatever they are reading. So here C is the correct answer. 1:30 before the student start reading a story titled Brave Bittu. Bittu. The teacher initiates a discussion with them on bravery. What the teacher trying to achieve through this activity? So activate the previous knowledge of the students, activate the intellectual stance of students, activate enthusiasm in students, activate the different stance in students. So with the help of this discussion, teacher trying to achieve activate the previous knowledge of the students. Previous knowledge of the student is the correct answer. Which one of the following would be the best evidence to demonstrate to parent and administrators what students can do with language? So here A national curriculum is syllabus, list of course, goal and objective, marks in a test, poem or paragraph written by student. So its answer is poem or paragraph written by students. So the best evidence to demonstrate the parent and administrators what student can do with language, poem or paragraph written by students can be seen to them. So D is the correct answer. If the student is making pronunciation error, the best way to help him or her is to provide provide him her with correct pronunciation without any humiliation. Call his or her parent and complain this is wrong. Scold him or her in class for incorrect pronunciation. Mock at him her in class for incorrect pronunciation. So here A is the correct answer. Provide him her with correct pronunciation without any humiliation. To remove the pronunciation error, teacher should be provide him or her or the student with correct pronunciation without any humiliation. Scribbling. Scribbling is a stage of speaking, listening, writing, reading. So scribbling is a stage of writing. C is the correct answer of this question. A primary teacher should introduce reading through stories, picture books, alphabet book only, phonic teaching. So a primary teacher should introduce reading through picture books. Reading through picture books. We should start with picture books. 135. Choose the correct spelling. Doesn't. So its correct spelling is DOESNT. C is the correct answer. So these are few questions from CTET English Pedagogy. I hope these are useful for your next CTET 2026 exam. Thanks for watching.